Everyone's going crazy about Google Opal, the new AI tool that lets you create videos from images for free. No coding, no editing, just upload your images and boom, video magic. But what if I told you there's something nobody's talking about? Yeah, there's a hidden limit, and after a point, Opal just stops. So here's what happened. I created a mini app inside Opal, an image-to-video converter. At first, it was amazing. I uploaded one image, got a smooth cinematic video in seconds. Then I did another and another. By the time I hit video number 11, something weird happened. Suddenly, Opal stopped working. The message said, "Limitation exceeded. Please try again later." Wait, what? Everybody's saying Opal gives unlimited free video generation, but that's not true. After around 11 videos, your account hits a hard limit, and the app just refuses to make more. So no matter how creative you are, how many ideas you have, Opal says that's enough for today. Here's where it gets interesting. I shared the same app with a different Gmail account, and guess what? It worked again. No errors, no limits, the same app, same workflow. So it's clear, the quota is per account, not per app. Once your account hits the cap, roughly 10 to 12 videos, you're done until the resent resets. Now, Google hasn't officially announced how long the reset takes, maybe 24 hours, maybe longer. But one thing's for sure, Opal isn't unlimited. It's free, but capped, probably because it uses Google's heavy AI video backend like Veo or Gemini. So before you start your next big Opal project, remember, enjoy your first 10 videos, because after that, the lights go out. If you've hit this limit too, drop a comment below. How many videos did you get before it stopped? And if you want me to test more hidden AI tool limits, hit that like button and subscribe for more real-world tests.